All right, guys, we're here with Bradon. Have a look at this guy. How you doing, man?
Great.
This looks awesome. Look at this, guys. So, it's still growing. We're not even done yet, but I want to give you guys a quick look at kind of where we're at here. And you saw the before picture. Look how amazing he looks. So this was multi-unit hair grafting. Just look at the density up here, guys. And look, he's wearing his hair short. The suture line is covered. It's camouflaged under there, but just look at this density. Look how natural this looks. He's got great hair. He's been an awesome patient, following all the directions. This is amazing. Bradon, just turn that before picture around for us again if you could, so we can see it from up here. Look at that, guys. So cool, so pumped. We're gonna, we'll see him again at 12 months post-transplant, but man, you gotta be happy, huh?
Yeah, I was ecstatic.
It's amazing. Have a look at him, guys. Look like a new man. Thank you, buddy. Really appreciate it. Thank you.
For a free evaluation, call PAI at 888-724-5129 or go to WeGrowHairIndy.com.